Well, here we are. It's Friday already. I have a call in for a meal, so I decided to get working on this meal today. The video is New Beginnings, and spring is finally here after so long. Not sure what it was about winter this year, but it just seemed to go on forever for me. And now it's springtime, and I'm able to do all the things that I have dreamed about all winter long. I read a lot of books, and I have a lot of information and a lot of new projects that are going to be coming your way. And I can't wait to share them with you and encouragement. Go ahead and put the meatballs in here. I have so many recipes written out for all of you with that, but I'm making these into meals for a lot of people. How do you spend every day doing the same thing over and over again and not get discouraged? You know, that is the point of this video. I decided to give you more real in the life videos. You will see me maybe with my hair not totally fixed up, and you will see me maybe not wear so much makeup. Some days I feel like getting dressed up and getting makeup on and fixing my hair, and other days it's just realistic. It's piles and piles of laundry, cleaning, cooking, and all of those things. And today is just a realistic look in my life. So let's get started with the laundry first. I have meals to cook. Look at the sun, isn't that pretty? I like that. And I have family to feed. And well, it's just life. It's the everyday life of a homemaker. I've lately been trying to take my afternoons off. You see me post at 1 p.m. and that is my morning. I am current, pretty much day to day, current with all of you in my videos. So this is early in the morning. I will make this video and then I will upload it and you will see it in the afternoon. I am changing my schedule because I'm changing my life. Giving myself my afternoons and evenings free. Free to not worry about making a YouTube video, and just free to do things that I enjoy. And that is, after all of these years, I decided to live in the moment and to give my videos to all of you in the moment. 2 days a week, I made large amounts of meals, and it's something I've been doing now for, oh my goodness, probably 2 years, and I give them to our children. So my life is very busy, but it's the busyness of being at home, and it's a fun way of living. It's a very rewarding way of living, being a homemaker, even though my children are all grown and my grandchildren are teenagers now. It still is so much fun to do things for others. All right, so our son just left. He has his meals to take home. It's something special. Once a week, I make meals for him and his wife, and the kitchen's cleaned up. Now I'm going to be working on cleaning out the refrigerator and working on this cupboard. So my kitchen is really small. I only have a few cupboards for all of my cookware, and I like to have a lot of stuff. So I have to organize it over and over again. So what we're going to do is, he gave me some of this, and this is made for it to use in the refrigerator, and it's also made to line your cupboards. Now my house is really old. My cupboards are really old. It's nothing fancy. It's survival. So it's not going to be one of them nice houses with nice brand new things in it. So my cupboards are dingy. They're not dirty, they're dingy. That's what I always say to people. I said, my house is extremely clean, but it's old. And everything in it is old. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this, take everything out of there, then I'm gonna work on the refrigerator. All right, my inside work is all done, and now we're gonna go ahead and plant my onions. Say goodbye to you guys, but if you want to keep watching, you watch me plant the onions, you can. But for most of you, bye, and we'll see you guys again tomorrow. Alright, so we have the hoe, we have the string, we have the stakes, and we have the onions. It's a perfect time to plant them because they're calling for rain in the next couple days. So we're going to get these planted, hoping to get most of them. I'm going to keep some back just in case we would happen to get a frost. That way I don't have them all planted, but we are going to plant most of them.